Tigers are apex predators and are known to prey on a variety of species including deer. Tigers are solitary hunters and usually hunt at night, using their keen sense of sight, smell, and hearing to track down their prey. While hunting deer, tigers use their powerful legs to chase the animal and use their sharp claws and teeth to overpower it. The success rate of a tiger-deer hunt depends on several factors such as the species of deer, the age and size of the tiger, and the environment in which the hunt is conducted. Tigers are native to Asia and known for their majestic beauty and strength. They are among the largest cats in the world, with some males weighing over 600 pounds. The Bengal tiger is the most common subspecies and is found in several countries including India, Bangladesh, and Nepal. Tigers are carnivorous and hunt a variety of prey including deer, wild boar, and buffalo. While hunting deer, tigers use their stealth and agility to their advantage. They usually attack their prey from behind and use their powerful jaws to bite the deer's neck or spine and kill it instantly. Tigers are also capable of taking down large prey, such as gaur, by jumping on their backs and biting their spines. While hunting is a natural part of a tiger's life, it is crucial to consider the effects of hunting on both tiger populations and their ecosystems. Overhunting may reduce their prey population and thereby increase competition for food among tigers. This can further restrict tigers in their search for food, leading to conflicts with humans and putting tiger populations at risk. Additionally, habitat loss and fragmentation are major threats to the survival of tigers and their prey. In many areas, wildlife conservation efforts aim to protect tigers and their habitats. These efforts may include measures such as habitat restoration, anti-poaching patrols, and educating local communities about the importance of tiger conservation. By working to protect tigers and their habitats, we can ensure the survival of these magnificent animals for future generations. Apart from hunting, tigers face several other challenges that threaten their survival. Poaching for their fur, bones, and other body parts poses a major threat to the tiger population. This illegal trade increases the demand for tiger products, which can lead to increased poaching and a decline in wild tiger populations. Climate change is also having a significant impact on tiger habitat, affecting the distribution of prey and other resources that tigers depend on. Another challenge facing tigers is habitat loss and fragmentation. As human population continues to grow, tigers are losing large areas of their natural habitat to development, agriculture, and other human activities. Loss and fragmentation of these habitats can further expand tigers' search for food, leading to conflicts with humans and endangering tiger populations. Fortunately, there are many conservation efforts underway to help protect tigers and their habitats. One such effort is the Global Tiger Recovery Program, launched in 2010 with the goal of doubling the global tiger population by 2022. The program is a collaboration between the government, NGOs, and other organizations, and it focuses on reducing, protecting tiger habitats, human-tiger conflict, and the fight against poaching and the illegal trade in tiger parts. Another important aspect of tiger conservation is the education of local communities. By educating local communities about the importance of tiger conservation, we can help reduce human-tiger conflicts and reduce pressure on tiger habitats. For example, conservation organizations can work with local communities to develop sustainable livelihoods compatible with tiger conservation, such as ecotourism or community-based forest management. In conclusion, while hunting is a natural part of tiger behavior, it is important to consider the effects of hunting on both tiger populations and their ecosystems. Conservation efforts play an important role in protecting tigers and their habitats, and by supporting these efforts, we can help ensure the survival of these magnificent animals.